India is home to 1.4 billion people, almost 1/6 of the world population, who belong to a variety of ethnicities and religions. While 94% of the world Hindus live in India, there also are a substantial population of Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, Buddhists, Jains, and adherents of folk religions. For most Indians, faith is important. In a 2015 Pew Research Center survey, 8 in 10 Indians said religion is very important in their lives. Religion in India is characterized by a diversity of religious beliefs and practices. The preamble to the Constitution of India states that India is a secular state. The Indian subcontinent is the birthplace of 4 of the world's major religions, namely Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism. Collectively known as Indian religions, that believes Moksha is the most supreme state of Ātman. Throughout the Indian history, religion has been an important part of the country's culture. Religious diversity and religious tolerance are both established in the country by the law and custom. The Constitution of India has declared the right to freedom of religion to be a fundamental right. Today, India is home to around 94% of the global population of Hindus. Most Hindu shrines and temples are located in India, as are the birthplaces of most Hindu saints. Prayagraj hosts the world's largest religious pilgrimage, Prayag Kumbh Mela, where Hindus from across the world come together to bathe in the confluence of 3 sacred rivers of India, the Ganga, Yamuna, and the Saraswati. Today in this video, I will discuss why only India has so many different religions than other countries in the world. So let's start the video. According to the research of Pew Research Center projection, India does not have an official religion. Likewise, other countries, India does not have an official religion. India is a religiously pluralistic and multi-ethnic democracy, the largest in the world. Its constitution provides for freedom of conscience and the right to profess, practice, and propagate religion. We has protection for minorities against discrimination on the grounds of religion or caste. In 1976, the constitution was amended, officially making the country a secular state. Secular state means when a country signifies to be officially neutral in matters of religion. At the same time, a directive in the constitution prohibits the slaughter of cows, an animal Hindus hold sacred, which each state has the authority to enforce. Currently, 21 out of 29 states have prison sentence for the act. Next one is different types of religion exist in India with a strong base. India's massive population includes not only the vast majority of the world Hindus, but also the second largest group of Muslims within a single country. Behind only Indonesia, by 2050, India's Muslim population will grow to 311 million, making it the largest Muslim population in the world. According to Pew Research Center projections, still Indian Muslims are projected to remain a minority in their country, making up about 18% of the total population at mid-century, while Hindus figure to remain a majority, about 77%. Hinduism is professed by the majority of population in India. The Hindus are most numerous in 27 states and UTs, except in Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Lakshadweep, Meghalaya, Jammu and Kashmir, and Punjab. Different religious beliefs. Indians of different religious background don't see much in common with each other. For example, most Muslims say members of their religious community are very different from Hindus or Sikhs, and vice versa. Most Hindus and Sikhs see themselves as very important from Muslims, with few exceptions. India's major religious group perceive more differences than similarities between their communities. This may be a reason why India have a diverse religion background. And the last one is diversity in Hinduism. Hinduism is one of the world's oldest religion. It has complex roots and involves a vast array of practices and a host of deities. Hinduism is more than a religion. It is a culture, a way of life, and a code of behavior. This is reflected in a term Indians used to describe the Hindu religion, Sanatana Dharma, which means eternal faith. In Hinduism only, India have different types of religion and caste, which may be also lead to diversity of religion in India. Hinduism can be described as a diverse religion for multiple reasons. The first will be the ways in which practitioners of Hinduism worship multiple avatars, especially those of Vishnu, whose favored avatar appears to be Krishna. Second, unlike other religions in the world, the Hindu religion does not claim any one prophet, it does not worship any one god, it does not believe in any one philosophic concept, it does not follow any one act of religious rites or performance. In fact, it does not satisfy the traditional features of religion or creed. It is a way of life and nothing more. So guys, these are some facts, or we can say some reasons why India has so many different religions than other countries in the world. Thank you and subscribe to my channel for more informative video like this.